In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to torque your valve cover down. What I've done here, done a little pre-work. I got all of my bolts started. The point I want to get across to you in this clip is that there's a sequence you need to follow when tightening down any engine component. We got all sorts of bolts on here and we want to make sure that this cover is torqued down flat. This one happens to have a center bolt. That of course is going to be the first bolt we start with. Run our center bolt down, just hand tight is good. Now from there we have some choices. What we're going to do is proceed in a star pattern, working our way from side to side and further out on the valve cover. We're going to go from there to here and run this bolt down. Right there. From there, we're going to jump straight across to the bolt located in the back. It's going to be pretty much its twin. We'll run that one down. From there, we're going to shoot across to here and run this one down. And then to here. So you can see we're making this X pattern across the valve cover, working our way slowly out from side to side. What that'll do is ensure that our valve cover seats uniformly and flat. Now the number and location of your bolts on your particular car will vary, but just remember to follow that pattern and you won't have any trouble. Okay, that is the proper way to torque down your valve cover.